Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you something different and I'm going to use this image to show you something like this. Okay, to to start it over and make you understand how it works. So let's get to it. So this is the image right now and I'm going to show you something you need to know about this. Okay, so um first let's move to filter and move to liquidify. Okay, so I'm gonna use liquidify to just make all this look so credible. Okay, I really love this a lot and it helps me to just do my stuff so easy. I just want it to be more, the hairstyle to be more, and you can try it too. So you just take your time and just listen to me and follow my steps well. Okay, so this is how I do it all the time. So I just want it to be more, not just something cool and you can learn to. I love the process how it works. Okay, so just want to add more, just more. Okay, just take your time and do it nice. Okay, and I just need here to just pop up small and here. Okay, and I just want to step here and here too. So let's see, here it's supposed to be in a level way. Okay, so this is how it's gonna do it. So I'm showing the process how to do it. And here it's side like this. Okay, not much. Okay, so I'll trade here to show you everything, but we need to just hit OK. Okay, so this is how, so check the before and after. So before and after, so I really love this and I don't like this. I just want to remove this one. Okay, and we need to choose this smart tool. Okay, and take this, the hardness to 95 and strength to 100% and increase the pointer and just taking it down, but you need to make sure you take your time and do it well nicely. Okay, so take your time. So I really love retouch a lot. Okay, so you can do the same. So this is how I used to do my stuff all the time, and here is gonna to be like this, and then to push here like this. Okay, so let's check it before and after. Okay, so I love this. Okay, so this is so cool, and only thing we're gonna do is that we're going to crop this face. Okay, the down one here. Okay, so I'm gonna crop this side like this. Okay, and hit Ctrl J and drag it to the top here and bring this one. Okay, so let's shape the face. So I just replace the face and I just need to fix it and merge the face one. So I'll click on the eraser tool, the first one, eraser tool, and just clean here. Okay, okay, so this is how it's gonna be. and you can see this one. Let's just clean. Make sure you take your time doing it here. Okay, so let's check. So this one is cool. Let's go. Okay, so I'll add them together and duplicate the same image. Okay, so all they're gonna do is that we're gonna change something on the hair lips and how it's gonna look so natural. So I'll just cut that down here. Okay, and here's Ctrl J and move to image and come to adjustments and here on the saturation and just increase it and move to the side. Okay, and hit OK and come to eraser tool and clean the side. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be, and I'll just increase it. Okay, and hit this side. Okay, and add them together. So let's just check the before and after. Before and after. Okay, so and the top here, start from here. Okay, this is the secret. Start from here and drop into this side and here Ctrl J again and move to let's choose something which is cool. So I'm gonna go to levels. I just want to make the top look so, I mean, something dark, small, not much, but I just want to make look something like this. So I'll hit OK and use eraser tool and take a set and just clean it and just get something like this. Okay. Always make sure you make this opacity 100% before you clean it. How is it? And increase it small and hit this side and the top here. Okay, so let's say before and after. Sorry, before and after. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm weak. Okay, so we add them together again, and this how is going to do it. And here we're going to change the eyebrow. Okay, you can use this one or you can use this pen tool, or the pen tool, make sure you make it pop and just hit here and just take it to the round of it. Okay, something like this. Okay, and hit here and left click and right click, sorry, and right click and move to make selection and hit OK. The pixel to be, I mean, around 0 and hit OK and Ctrl J and move to image and come to move to here on the saturation, something like this. Okay, and choose eraser tool and increase it and hit the side. Okay, so this is how it's going to do it at a time. So I will have it before and after. Okay, so you'll just reduce this one. Okay, and add them together, or you can use this pen tool, but I'll come to this one. I will show you later, and move to the pen tool again and do the same thing here. Okay, I'm on to the same place. And hit OK. That's it. And add them together. Ctrl E to add them together and see before and after, before and after. So I'm gonna add something here too and here too. So I will choose this color, the lips color, and just hit OK and create new layer. and move to brush tool, and always make sure here will be 0 and here will be any of your size you just want it to be, and hit it OK. So they hit then step there, and then you change the normal to color, okay, and reduce it like this. So I'm gonna show you how to take your makeups to in mode and come to your tool and reduce the opacity and step on it. Just take your time, step on it. Okay, so let's check before and after. Okay, so I really love this a lot. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it all the time and add them together. Okay, and here is our something we're going to change it. So we'll just move to this color, the gold color. We're going to choose the gold color, something like this, and move to brush tool and reduce it. Okay, and create a new layer, and always make sure this smoothing will be 100%, so that it will take its time. So follow it straight. Okay, sorry. This is how you're gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you, so watch it well. This is how I used to just do my retouch and touch everything from scratch. Okay, so try to cover so try and cover it all, and don't let this just mess up. Okay, so move to the color, okay, and see. So just take it to before and after, and let's see which one is gonna fit it. I think the best one is this. Okay, and we just reduce this one. Okay, how is saying something dope, and you add them together. Control E. Okay, so this is how it's going to be all the time. So make sure you just follow the steps and choose this dot tool, and here will be, like, let's say 50, let's say 51, and just increase it and duplicate the image again. Okay, and step this side and this side. Okay, and make sure you try and just touch the eye. Okay, so let's show you before and after. So I'm making it easy for you to just do it, so don't stress too much. Okay, this is your best place, and here you step into this, just step into it. Okay, and hit here. Okay, so let's show you the before and after. Before and after. Okay, and I will just move to let's say I'll move to camera raw to just complete everything. So that's the place where you're going to tidy the grade, to tidy the skin tone, to grade everything, to get what you just want to get from this image. So I love camera raw all the time because it helps me to just do it so fast. So I'll just come to color mixer and try this one. Okay, as you can see, there's something dope, and I really love it a lot. Okay, so you can just take this one down or increase it, or take it down. Okay, look at it like this. So I just want it to be something like this. So I'll just come to the first one and see how the face is gonna be. So not much like that, something like this, and increase it, and let's try it and see how it's gonna be. Something like this. Cool, right? So let's check. Okay, and let's try this one. Okay, try this one, not much, and it comes to the yellow color, and let's see the background. Okay, let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, so I think something that is cool, and move to the blue color. Blue color to change it, to change the hue to be around here. Okay, and this one, let's see, around here, and take this one down a little bit. Okay, so this how that's how it is. And I'll move to the basic and try this and try this and the hue, and it comes to this one and move to this one. Okay, and check the before and after. So all the thing we're gonna do is that we need to reduce it small, not much. So we're gonna touch this one and hold it, take it to come down like this. Okay, and see natural. Okay, so I just want something cool like this. Okay, and then she'll just hit it. Okay, so all the thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna touch the background. The background is very bad, so this is how we're gonna touch it. Okay, we're going to choose mixer brush and change the color. Okay, to choose this color and increase it. Okay, and hit it. Okay, so guys, this is how you're gonna do it. And make sure to subscribe to my page, and I'm awake, and I'll show you how to continue from this image to get something cool again. So see you for the next video. Bye.